Hello everyone, welcome to the video from the Tarot World. Okay, so today we will read about the current feelings of your partner. It may be a feminine energy or masculine energy. I'm not specific about it, but I'll be reading about the current feelings of your partner. Okay, and this is for the people who are not in conversation. They're not, oh my god, who are not interacting, who are not in communication. Okay, so what are the feelings of your partner? How are they feeling? How are they feeling about this? How do they feel about their partner? What are their current feelings? What are their current feelings? Nine of Swords. What are their current feelings? King of Wands. What are their current feelings? Ten of Wands. A lot of fire energy here. Justice. My god. So I already feel these people are very much bothered and fighting with themselves. The Hangman. Their world is turning upside down without you. I can feel that. And this is about, they are very disappointed and they are very very much worried. I feel like these people look upon you for communication. These people are fully confused, but I really feel like the people who are not in communication, they will reach to a decision. They'll reach to a decision and they'll do the justice. Oh god, you got both the cards, Justice and Judgment. Beautiful. And look, you got Two of Cups as your overall energy. Okay, I'll pull one more. Okay, so you got Two of Cups and Knight of Cups, which is beautiful. So I feel like the people, those who are watching, for you, mostly these people are meant to be with you. Okay, they are your true partners. But if these people are not in communication, and this is their energy, okay, these people they're losing their sleep. They're losing their sleep over the fact that these people are not able to communicate with you. They are too focused somewhere else. That's why they're not even starting a conversation. I feel like they're fighting themselves. It is like they're fighting their fears. I think these people want to communicate with you, but they're not. For some reason, they're very fearful and they're fighting themselves. I don't know, for no reason, because I see you people are waiting to, the ones who are watching this video, they're waiting for a conversation. I'll also pull some handwritten notes, I've made these. I'm stuck. Let the divine timing do its magic. I love your smile. Truly, they love your smile. I feel this because they are too focused. Even though I look with the King of Wands energy, I feel like they are focused somewhere else. But when they are reflecting upon their life, they are really in turmoil, emotional turmoil. And they want to end this. They want to end this with the number 9. Look, you got 2 9s, okay? 9 of Pentacles also. They want to end this really because they are not liking the current energy and they want to meet you. They want to communicate with you. They want to be your knight in shining armor, whatever. So I feel like you people, and I feel like he or she, whoever it be, he will do justice. And I feel like communication is coming very soon, even though they have taken full long time to communicate. Now it is time to do the justice, and I feel like he will awaken with these 2 cards. He has been feeling for a long time that his like that their life has turned upside down without you. So he will wake up, okay? He will wake up to the reality. Okay, you're living in your head, you're crying at the night, but you're not communicating. So they will take some action. Right now, I feel like they are very much confused. But I feel like that confusion is over because you are getting this 12-month cycle is over, okay? With let me see when they will be able to communicate, when you can expect their communication. When can. And I feel like you people are meant to be with each other because look, for me 2 of Cups is a like soulmate partner, very good partnership. Oh God, you got Ace of Cups for when you should expect communication. Oh, their heart is broken. I feel so bad for them. But they should initiate a conversation within 3 days. I think with this new year upcoming unfolding, they'll definitely start a conversation. At least they'll try to contact you. Okay, so you should be really happy about it, and I feel like even you should release whatever whatever blockages, whatever leftover harsh feelings you have for them, in order to be open, in order to welcome this meeting, welcome this partnership to go on. Look, this person loves your smile, and this person is somehow waiting for the divine timing to do its magic. But he is also feeling stuck. Look, he's feeling so stuck. But I feel like even though this person has taken a lot of time, he will definitely communicate. After 2020, 1st of January, because this bad cycle is over. So I see that this person will communicate soon. Let me pull some more cards for you. And it will be like a new love. With this Ace energy, I feel like the love will be very renewed. Not that you'll fall in love with a different person, but I feel like this love will be very much renewed when you are back together. I'm sorry. This person is feeling really sorry for himself as well as how he behaved with you and whatever led to the separation and whatever led to the differences between you two. He is really sorry for all that. Okay, so I'll read your current energy because this person wants to communicate really soon, but you should be open. So let me check if you will entertain this act of initiation from that person's side, whoever will be. Okay, so will the querent entertain the conversation? Will the querent entertain the conversation? Oh, you got the victory card. Yes, you will entertain the conversation now. The time is over. The bad cycles are over. So you people should start to get moving. The Strength card, the Emperor card, these cards fell down. This person wants to protect you and you are very protective for this person. And I see that even you people those who are watching this video, even you people have been in an emotional mess with these 2 cards here. So time to get moving. Okay, it's time to get moving. I don't see a reason why you should not entertain the conversation if initiated by the other party, because this person is so sorry. This person is like fully focused on you, and he's look he's so much in regret. Like he's like, you people in the past have put a lot of efforts into this relationship, but for what? Look, this person is thinking that for what I had put in so much of effort, but I feel like I feel like this is your energy. Like why you people put in so much of effort to that relationship that didn't even work out. But no, there is other side to it. You will stand victorious. You will gather strength, and you will definitely rise above this conflict of situation. Okay, I feel like you people will be communicating in January like really nicely, and this emotional mess will be over. Let me pull out a card for you for your current energy. Why do I feel like you people feel very betrayed from the other party? I'm getting this but no, there is no betrayal. Okay, how will this? Okay, how will our watchers react? How will you react to this conversation? How will you react to? I think you people are kind of over it. Why do I feel this? Soulmate coming soon. If this person is your soulmate, then 100% you people will be communicating very soon. And I feel you people have changed your mind with this regarding this person. But I feel like you're feeling betrayed by this person, because this person did not try to put in enough effort. What you brought to the table was not entertained. So even though you love this person, you don't want to entertain this conversation, and you feel like letting go each other. But if it is a soulmate relationship, I feel like you people will definitely converse. If you people are in a karmic relationship, yes, look, I got this card. Wow, I was talking about it and I got this card. So this is the magic of universe. Okay, so if it is a karmic relationship, then it is a betrayal, then it won't work out. But and even it's not like you want to put an effort to that. You don't even need to put in effort if it is a karmic relationship. Let it go. Okay, it is okay to change your mind, and it is okay to still love a person or the memory. Okay, so I feel like you don't feel the same, and you are more focused on your career. So makes sense with this 2021 energy, which is full of like dedication for career. You people want to focus, prioritize your career. Okay, I feel like there was a point of time when you were fully focused on them. You had like so much of time, you put in so much effort, you brought so much to the table, but they did not appreciate it. So you want them to like, not that you want them to suffer now because you suffered in the past, but it's like you're done with useless entertainment, and you want to focus on your soulmate and what is meant for you, and you are letting go whatever doesn't serve you anymore. Okay, I feel like if you are still like if you want to affirm about your soulmate, you should go for it. Okay, any more messages for you? And I also feel like love yourself first. You people, if you want to attract your soulmate, you need to love yourself first, because nothing good gets attracted until and unless you love yourself. And when you love yourself, you vibrate at the energy of love, and nothing in the world can stop you. Nothing in the world can stop you from loving yourself, And once else, I also feel like for some people there is a third party situation here. For the people who are into a karmic relationship, they lack trust because there is a third party situation. But before anything happens, I see that you people will have a heart to heart conversation with this, and you will forgive and learn all the lessons that this person was meant to teach you. Why this person came into your life at first place, when you don't even like feel like spending your entire life with each other. Okay. So it's good, but I feel like this person is still stuck in your thoughts. I feel like you people have moved on pretty much, and I feel like you people are very spiritual because of I'm feeling very spiritual energy. Love yourself first. I felt this very strongly. You should love yourself first. So I'm going to pull a few more cards on how this will end up, how if you people will interact with each other or no. Finally, if you feel you people are focused on the bigger picture, and you want to, even though if it takes time, you don't want to fight people, fight situation, and fight nature, and you want to let go of whatever doesn't serve you. You have done a lot of internal work in this separation when you were not in communication, and now you people are ready to move ahead in your life. So tell me for how will it go? Final breakthrough. Wow. I feel like you people it should not be breakthrough, it should be breakup. Turning in, yes, with the Hermit card, and I got a Hermit card also for you, right? Yeah, I got Hermit card for you, and turning in. So I feel you people are very much focused on your internal work and whatever has to do with your own self. You don't need any love for right now. You are focused on self-love. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please enjoy your life. You don't need to worry about what is not meant for you. What is meant for you will never pass by you. Anyway, so please like, subscribe, share if you resonated with this video about current energies of your person and you. If you resonated with it, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Share my channel with every person you know. So one last card I'm going to pull up for you. Oh, this is Three of Wands. Three of Wands is like end of a journey, end of a cycle. So you have ended this cycle. So finally, I think you people are ready to move on. And the persons who are in soulmate relationship and still not in contact will definitely contact in January. I hope you enjoyed your video. Thank you so much.